If you want to perform a backup on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you should be able to find Accounts and Backup. And over here we have three main ways that allow you to easily perform a backup. For example, we can use Samsung Cloud. So if you tap over here on Backup Data, then you should be able to use your Samsung account and Samsung Cloud in order to, of course, back up couple of things from your phone. Like for example, here we have contacts, settings, apps, and so on and so forth. And once you select anything, you should be able to tap on Backup Now button to perform the backup. Besides that, we can use the Google Drive, so usually you can back up your photos and videos as well as other device data, all of which is listed, of course, over here. So you can decide what should be included in your backups, and then you can confirm, and there's going to be an option that is going to allow you to actually perform a backup at a given moment as well. And also we have the Smart Switch, which means that we can use the external storage to transfer our data. So if you have like a USB flash drive or something, then you can use it. You can of course connect it to your phone as long as it fits the USB-C port, and then you should be able to make the backup. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.